In this session, you will learn how to hand score a paper and pencil test. Start by opening the Test Tools menu on the left and selecting the paper and pencil test card. After opening it, choose the appropriate test and click on Hand Score. You will then see a bubble sheet where you can mark the options to replicate the student's responses for scoring. Once completed, click on Download to download either the science or without science version of the bubble sheet. To upload the attempt, impersonate the relevant student. Open the test, and begin the paper and pencil attempt. If the student has already uploaded an attempt and the processing has failed, you can use the Retry Upload Bubble Sheet option to upload the downloaded bubble sheet. After the upload is processed, the scores will be made available within 5 to 10 minutes.